Portions of the House of Representatives budget are allegedly being funneled to individuals who defend the institution. This is the claim made by Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste regarding what he calls paid influencers. MJ Mondihar reports.
At the start of the new year, Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Legarda Leviste questioned the alleged increase of 18.58 billion pesos in the House of Representatives maintenance and other operating expenses or MOOE under the 2026 national budget. In a Facebook post, Leviste compared the salary, bonuses, MOOE, and office budget of a congressman in 2025 and 2026. According to the young lawmaker, 4 million in 2025, the combined salary and MOOE of a congressman has allegedly increased to 22 million pesos in 2026. He also questioned the alleged 2 million Christmas bonus per congressman, to which several veteran lawmakers have defended. The additional funds were reportedly intended for holiday activities in the districts and assistance to constituents, as the public expects lawmakers to provide help during the Christmas season.
I thank you for having me at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
In an interview in the program Vox Populi, Leviste further claimed that part of the House allocations he is questioning allegedly goes to a specific program.
Meron din opisyal na programa ang Kongreso na CARE program para sa mga social media consultants. Nagte-training sila sa Kongreso tungkol sa ano yung ipapost nila sa Facebook para ipagtanggol ang kabutihan ng Kongreso.
Leviste suspects that portions of the House budget may be going to online defenders of the institution.
At ang lumalabas, ang kalahati ng mysterious MOOE fund na ito ay maaaring napupunta sa social media activities at baka yung mga paboritong mga influencers natin sa Facebook na nagtatanggol para sa Kongreso at sa budget ng Kongreso ay pinapondohan pala ng budget ng Kongreso.
According to a study by the University of Klagenfurt in Austria, the clout of social media influencers is not limited to simple opinion sharing. The study states that social media influencers are capable of amplifying existing opinions or shaping new perspectives, particularly in elections and politics. As of this time, the House of Representatives has not issued a response to Congressman Leviste's statements.
Banggit niyan ba yung nakabayong yung binibigay sa kanila or naka-paper bag?
Opo, yung iba. Mismong nagsabi sa akin na sila po ay binabayad ng cash sa supot o backpack.
Reporting for Newsline World, this has been MJ Mondihar, SMNI News.